Welcome to Jay's Visuals. My name is Jay. Be sure to watch to the end to see a short example of a video created in Ghibli style. And if you enjoy this content, like and subscribe for more videos like this coming soon.
Today we're going to talk about a feeling, the one, that warm, safe, almost magical sense of comfort you get from certain animations, and we're going to figure out exactly how it's made. It often starts with something so simple, right? A question like this. But it's not just about the scenery. It's an invitation to share a feeling of just deep contentment. So what is it? How do these quiet little moments with really no major action happening at all manage to feel so incredibly safe and warm? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain and reveal the cinematic blueprint behind that magic. All right, here's how we're going to break it all down. First, we'll decode the overall vibe. Then we'll look at how these cozy worlds get built, the role of comfort rituals, and the use of words that just feel warm. And finally, we'll dig into why we crave it so much. Okay, so let's dive right in. The first thing you've got to understand is that this comforting atmosphere, it doesn't just happen by accident. No, it's a carefully crafted experience built from a very specific recipe. And the very first ingredient, and honestly probably the most crucial one, is all about building a world that appeals directly to our senses. This creates a foundation of comfort before a single major plot point even happens. It all starts with a really powerful contrast. Think about it. Outside, there's a storm. Heavy, rhythmic rain, wind rustling through the trees. It's like the world is being washed clean. But then inside, it's the complete opposite. It's a warm, protected haven where you feel completely and totally safe from all that chaos. And this is where it gets really cool, because that feeling of safety gets cranked up to 11 by sound. These are not just background noises, they are specific, deliberate ASMR triggers. The deep drumming of rain on a roof, the hiss of steam from a kettle, the clink of a spoon against a mug. Every single sound is chosen for its ability to be incredibly soothing and just pull you right in. All right, let's move on to the next ingredient. This is where simple, everyday rituals become the emotional heart of the whole experience. We're not talking about grand gestures here, we're talking about small, shared activities. I mean, just take the simple act of making a hot drink. We see every single step with such deliberate sensory detail. The focus isn't just on the final product, but on the comforting process of making it. And it's always punctuated by that gentle, caring little warning, be careful, it is still very hot. And the visuals, they work in perfect harmony with the sounds. When food is prepared, the colors are intentionally vibrant. The bright reds of radishes, the deep greens of onions, the golden shimmer of ramen broth, it all works to make the food look impossibly delicious and nourishing. Now, this next part is so subtle but so powerful. It's how the language itself becomes an instrument of comfort. The dialogue is built on this foundation of really simple, repeated words that create this amazing sense of intimacy and shared wonder. You'll start to notice how often these phrases appear. Words like look or wow are used constantly. They aren't just exclamations, they are verbal cues that draw your attention to a shared, beautiful moment. They make you a participant. A line like this is the perfect example. It's an invitation to just pause, to look up from what you're doing, and to appreciate a small, fleeting detail together. It grounds you completely in the present moment. So, this all brings us to the big question, right? Why is this combination of senses, rituals, and words so profoundly effective? Why do we crave this feeling so much? Well, it's because this isn't just an atmosphere, it's a meticulously designed formula. It's a blueprint for invoking some of our most fundamental emotional needs, the need to feel safe, to feel warm, and to feel connected to other people. And a key part of this blueprint is nostalgia. By design, these moments tap into our own personal histories. The taste of a warm meal doesn't just belong to the characters. It's meant to connect the scene to our own memories of comfort, family, and maybe simpler times. So the key takeaway here is that this powerful, almost magical feeling of comfort isn't magic at all. It's built from three simple interlocking parts: highly specific sensory triggers, slow and deliberate comforting rituals, and a gentle, inviting vocabulary. That's the recipe. Which leaves us with a final thought. In a world that often feels chaotic and busy, maybe the appeal of these cozy animations isn't just that they offer an escape. They offer a blueprint for the kind of peace we're all looking for.